What's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Zach's Live Trader. Here with you, as always, the people's champion of Wall Street, the bearded boy wonder, Dave Bartosiak. And today, my friends, it's the good, the bad, and the ugly. I know it's been a while, but we're back at it. So I'm putting this together for you here about the middle of the day here on Thursday afternoon. Going to send it out so you have it sooner rather than later. Got a lot to cover, so let's go ahead and get into it. Now, first, going way back, this bullish put spread on Adobe. We were short the October 20th 150-148 put spread for a 42-cent net credit. The max profit here with shares of Adobe up over $1.50. Now, the good news, after Adobe sold off initially, started to creep on back. That's why we do these put spreads where we're short, and that's why we take our time. Right now, the spread's trading at 20 cents because Adobe has rallied. So this is very good for us. We've got one more week until we achieve max profit on this trade. You don't really have to do anything. Just sit back, relax, and watch the show, my friends. So that's the short put spread we have on Adobe. Nothing to see here. All right. Then the strangle on KB Homes. Now, this is going to be the biggest loser that we have here, which is a good thing because that means we're coming through this relatively unscathed. Now, we were short the October 20th 22.24 call spread and the 22.20 put spread for $1.14 net credit. So our maximum profit would occur with KB Homes at $22 even. Well, we're basically at a max loss on this because KB Homes went skyrocketing upward. I thought erroneously that since 25% of KB's market is in Florida, that Irma would have messed it up a little bit. That wasn't the case. Whatever. So we're taking the loss here. Now, close it is, you've got another week here, but it doesn't matter. You're going to be right near the max loss anyway on that call spread. You don't have to touch the put spread because it went up. So you're going to close it out for like $2, $1.90, something like that. So we're losing a little bit. We're not losing too much, which is the good part about the strangles. You're always going to win on one side. Sometimes you'll lose on one side. It is what it is, okay? Now, we had a bullish call spread on Burlington. We were long the October 20th 90.95 call spread for $1.67 net debit. Max profit with Burlington all the way up over 95. Now, here's the good news. I got the spread over here at $1.75 with Burlington over $90 a share. This was another scenario where it went against us, and then it started creeping back up. It's all about that post-earnings drift, my friends. So try and rip it above and beyond break even, right? So if you can get $1.75 for it, get $1.75 for it. If you're still holding on to this, I know there's a couple of you, Bruno, I hear you, that still have this. So I say you just go ahead and rip it. No harm done. You're in the green a little bit. It's okay. On to the next one. All right. And then we've got a bullish put spread on Constellation Brands. A lot of bullish put spreads, guys, and lots of success, which is good. Here we were short the October 20th 190-185 put spread for $1.20 net credit. Max profit with Constellation Brands over 190. The spread's at 3 cents right now because Constellation Brands is up over 205. So that is a victory, my friends. You don't have to do anything. Again, 1 week, just let it go, and we're going to max out the profit on this one, pocketing that whole $1.20. So good news here for Constellation Brands. And again, this is a stock that I said you guys could buy this personally and just let it go. The earnings picture looks fantastic. They've got growth. Everything looks good with Constellation Brands, ticker STZ. Now, Costco, we also put on a bullish put spread. We were short the October 20th 160-158 put spread for 40-cent net credit. Max profit with Costco over 160, but we got a little bit of a problem here. The spread's at 133. Costco is up around 155. So we are in the negative right now on this one. So I say we give it another week. Again, a little bit of that post-earnings drift. These guys, I think they got beat up a little bit too much over, Amazon thing. They're out here and they're crushing all retailers that are even vaguely look like they could get hit by Amazon or getting beat up this earnings season. I think we need to take our early cues from this one. If you want to go ahead and rip it, take the L, go ahead, that's fine. I'd wait a little bit though, because I think we can get a little bit of a pop and that would help out Costco, especially if we get some tax plan stuff. I think everybody's going to benefit. Then we've got a bullish put spread on Domino's Pizza, that DPZ. Now, we were short November 17th, 200, 195 put spread for 130. Max profit with Domino's over 200. Now, they just reported this morning the spread's trading at $2 with Domino's, right at that $200 level. You guys can just go ahead and sit back and relax, allow this post-earnings drift to take place. That's a reason why we went all the way out to November. Just go ahead and be patient on this one. Let that pizza cook, so to speak. The last one we're going to talk about here is the bullish call, just an outright bullish call on Citigroup, ticker C, long November 17th, $75 holler for $1.72. Break evens at 76.72. Right now, it's at, well, I put spread trading, but the call is trading at 113 with Citigroup at 73.50. I say you just hold it. This did exactly what we thought it was going to do. During the preview yesterday, I said, I bet you this thing dips in the morning, and then you can buy the dip and it'll rally. Because remember, like Wild Bill was telling us yesterday, that these banks have a tendency to move in that month, 2 months prior to a rate hike. We know that we're going to get a rate hike in December. Eventually, this money is going to spill on over that way. And again, still tax reform will be beneficial. So, all right, guys, that's all I have for you here on the good, the bad, and the ugly. Don't forget, mañana on Friday, we are going to be talking about Netflix, because Netflix is going to report next week. So I want to make sure you have all the trading day tomorrow, as well as Monday, to figure out what it is we're going to do with that. So make sure you join me there. As always, I'm looking for your suggestions. livetrader@zax.com. And of course, you guys know where to find me in the chat room on Discord. So thanks so much for hanging out with me here today on the GBU for Zax Live Trader. I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Have a good one.